Introduction to Nametuples in Python. Nametuples are a subclass of tuples with named fields. They enhance code readability and efficiency. Nametuples are similar to dictionaries, but more memory efficient. Understanding nametuples. Nametuples are defined using the Namedtuple function from the collections module. Values in nametuples can be accessed using field names or index. Example, student name tuple with fields name, age, and DOB. Benefits of using nametuples. Enhanced readability. Nametuples use explicit names instead of integer indices. Immutability. Nametuple values cannot be changed once assigned. Memory efficiency. Named tuples are more memory efficient than dictionaries. Common pitfalls and how to avoid them. Named tuples are immutable. Creating a new instance is required to change a value. Field names in nametuples must be valid identifiers and should not start with a digit or contain special characters. Tips and tricks for using nametuples. Use the fields attribute to return all field names of the named tuple. The asdict method returns the nametuple instance as an ordered dict. Conclusion: nametuples are a powerful tool for writing cleaner, more efficient Python code. They enhance code readability, improve performance, and simplify data structures.